again from Cisco's Kitchen. Today we're going to talk about save a dime or make a dollar. What I'm going to have prepared here is going to make a Fresno pepper hot sauce. And the way we do that, we're going to take 3 parts of Fresno pepper. 1 part is approximately about 10 pieces. You're going to take those. If you want it to be hot, you take all Fresno. If you want it to be a little bit milder, you can mix it up a little bit with regular peppers. Either those colorful, nice peppers, or you can take a red pepper, whatever you would like. So what we do is we take those peppers and we grill them, okay? We char them. This is how they look when they are charred. They're nice black. All you do is you rinse them off before and then you throw them on the charcoal grill. Don't worry about the seating or anything right now. So you can take this over here. As you can see, we mix them up with a little bit of other things. So when you have them charred, you're going to take a pot. You throw in 16 ounces of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, champagne vinegar, whatever vinegar, white balsamic vinegar, whatever vinegar you like, you use. Then you're going to take equal parts of water, okay? And then a 1/4 part of sugar. I like that. You bring that to a little bit of a boil, and then you add the peppers to it. You stir it a little bit, and you let it simmer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you take it off, and voila, you know, this is a great kitchen. You got everything ready. You have your simmered peppers. Now you take a Vitamix blender. You're going to add the peppers to your blender. All right, throw it all in, put it on the blender, and now we blend that, okay? So you make sure that you get it nice and smooth. Strain it. Okay. So that's now done. You take it off. And now we strain it. Okay. So that's as simple as you can get. You strain it, make sure that you get all of it out, and you would have your regular Fresno pepper hot sauce. Now what you can do is you can have that as an ingredient in a sauce. You know, I make my barbecue shrimp with that, or as a side, as a condiment, or you can make your own barbecue sauce with it, and then it's a little upsell. It's a really good product. All right, so normally what we would do, in the normal circumstances, you might discard your seeds. However, because we are saving a dime, we are not doing that. What we're doing instead, we're taking some water, you know, you rinse out, and then you pour the water over your pepper seeds, a little bit more. You got it nice. So what you have here, you have some nice seasoned water, okay? And what you're going to do with that water now, we would take that, as you can see, let me just pour it out so you can see the looks of the water. All right, a little messy here today, but what you're going to do, sometimes that happens in the kitchen. And what you can see now, you have some seasoned water. I usually take them and then put ice cubes, put them in ice cube makers. And now if you have a Bloody Mary or whatever, you have seasoned pepper ice cubes. Or if you need a hot dish where you need a little bit of a hot sauce, you can take that as a liquid and use that. So don't throw anything away, you know. Like you said, save the environment, save a dime, or here we can make a dollar. Give me a call. Have a great day.